Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Lakshmi.
So, Lakshmi ji, where are you from?
Basically, I am from Kanpur district, UP, but I belong to Rama Mandi, Bhatinda, Punjab.
What kind of spiritual practices were you following prior to taking initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj?
Sir, the devotional practices were my background. Was that my grandfather was associated with Vaishno Panth. That's why I was worshipping Goddess Durga and Bajrang Bali. But with this worship, our condition kept deteriorating. We didn't get any benefit from this worship. Instead of getting benefits, I was surrounded by questions, but I was getting no answers. When I got married, I used to keep fasts for Goddess Durga on Navratri. One day it happened to us. My husband used to drink a lot. One day when my husband came home drunk, at that time I took a pledge that Goddess Durga, I am your devotee, but I am not getting any benefit for which I have dedicated all my life while praying. Then I took all the things that I used for worshipping Goddess Durga and threw them into the river. Then I took an oath that from today onwards, if I will do worship, I will only worship the real God, otherwise I will waste my life without worshipping.
Sister, the worship that you used to do earlier, you didn't get any benefit at all. Then how did you come under the refuge of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj?
Sir, it was 2010. I had gone to the village for my sister's wedding. I was coming from the village by Gorakhadam Express train to Hisar. The discipline of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj were promoting the book Gyan Ganga. I took that book and it brought a lot of faith inside me. I got a ray of hope after seeing that book. I read that book and tears flew down my eyes. I started crying, realizing that God is somewhere on this earth. On the way, while reading that book, I came home and gave it to my father. Both I and my father read that book. From that book, I got rid of despair and I gained so much faith. The hope that I had lost revived in my heart after reading this book. Then my father consoled me and said that it's okay, my child, don't cry. These hard situations happen to all human beings. Don't worry, we will find time and will definitely go to ashram once. But we did not know that our God was there. We were going to the ashram with the purpose that if I feel so much peace in my mind after reading the book, I had suffered a lot in my family life. So after reading that book, my father said that don't cry, I will take you all along with the children. Whenever I read that book, I was getting struck in my heart so hard. And when I got struck, I thought that, oh God, what is this? When we come to know the truth path, we have to face so many hurdles. After reading that book, still there was something that used to attack me. There was a problem of evil spirits in my body. Due to the effect of these spirits over my body, I became very ill. The doctors gave up hope and refused to treat me and told my family, take care of her as much as you can and take her back home. Her time has come to an end. She will not live for long. At that time, I was taken to the refugee Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Then I took the name initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj and got rid of the disease.
Sister, after taking name initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, what happened suddenly that you got rid of all your disease?
After taking the name initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, the first benefit I got was the knowledge of all the holy scriptures and the true way of worship. By doing the true worship, the diseases of my body got cured and I got rid of all of the health problems. After that, God, Bandi Chhor Satguru Rampal Ji Maharaj, gave all of us his blessings. As he had his hand on all of us, my illness went away and our house that was taken over by alcoholism got free of intoxicants. Earlier my house has become hell due to intoxicant. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj gave us time of 4 months and said, do worship and God will fix everything. After 4 months, my whole family took initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj.
You told us about your illness, but what kind of illness you were suffering from?
I was suffering from cancer. I had cancer in my uterus. Even doctors had given up the hope. I had cancer for past 12 years. I had a problem in my body and was suffering for 12 years, but it was not detected. When I came under the refuge of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, I was going through a dreadful ailment of cancer that I was left with only 2 units of blood.
Where did you go for the treatment of your cancer?
I got my treatment from Sirsa, Kalavadi, Bhatinda and Chandigarh. Right now, I don't have any reports with me, but due to all the reports are available with me at home. All the doctors had given up and said, take care of her at home and there is no chance of her survival. So due to cancer at that time, I was suffering from the problem of bleeding and I don't know how much bleeding was happening all the time. There was no solution for this. Even the doctors didn't have any solution. But I got that solution only after I came under the refugee of Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj. The bleeding stopped just after taking initiation and blessings from him. He said, go and do worship, everything will be fine. From that day till today, neither did I come across any such problem, nor have I gone to doctor for checkup. God gave me a new life just like giving life to a dead person. God gave me strength to endure by worshipping. Since that day, I am absolutely fine.
Sister, what message do you want to convey to the Devote Society?
Sir, I cannot deliver a message to the devotee society. I can just request them, as all my problems went away after coming under the refuge of Saint Rampal Ji. So I request the Devote Society that don't judge the saint by his look, but try to understand the knowledge given by him. Understand his words. Just by following his way of worship, my dreadful disease can be cured. Then why can't it be possible for other people?
Sister, as you told us that Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj cured your cancer, got rid of your husband's addiction of intoxication. Today he is behind the bars. Why should people take initiation from him?
If by taking initiation from Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj, my dreadful ailment like cancer can be cured, then other people's problem can also be solved by taking initiation from Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj. His name initiation has so much power that all the problems can be solved, can be resolved and can be cured.
Thank you.
Sat Sahib.